Hi everyone, my name is Odon Cosmos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to have all your blogs on your homepage. After watching this video, you'll be able to have all your blogs on your home page. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. First, let's go to our website. Now, this is our website. This is our home page, as you can see. Home, sarcosmosworld.com, and this is our home page, how it looks like. Now, we want to have all our blog posts, all our blog posts in our website to display here on the home page, so that when a visitor or a user enter the name sarcosmosworld.com, all he or she sees first is our blog post. To do that, we have to log into our back end, and let's go to our back end. This is our back end, and then we go to settings. Under settings, you go to reading and click that. Wait for it while the page opens. Now, under our reading, you can see that your home page display, we set it at a static page. You understand? We set our home page to be our static page. That's when our user log in into sarcosmosworld.com. All he or she sees first is our home page and also our post page to be blog. Now, for us to be able to have all our blogs on our home page, all we need to do, or what we simply have to do, is to what? Click on this, which is your latest post. That means what we display on our homepage will be our latest post. Now let's click this. After clicking it, let's move down and save changes. Now these changes have taken place. Let's move back to our website and see. You see, we are still having our homepage. All we need to do is refresh. You refresh, and now it's loading. It has loaded. And as you can see, we no longer have our homepage. All we have is on our homepage, it's our blog. You can see here 10 thoughts that can destroy relationship. Also 7 psychological tricks that works on girls, and so on and so forth. You have many of those blog posts here on our homepage. So that is how you can be able to have all your blog posts on your homepage. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and stay tuned for more updates as I post more videos on my channel.